Hi everyone, my name is Aboritina Marion. This is group 32 and I present to you SignaChat. Well, SignaChat is basically solving the communication gap between the deaf community and the hearing community. And how did we come about this? We were looking at a scenario where you're trying to communicate with someone, but they can't quite get what you're meaning. And they also can't be able to communicate with you. So we want to bridge that. And that feeling is not, it's quite unpleasant. So we want to bridge that communication gap. And what are our project objectives? We want to develop a real-time system. It's going to translate those sign language gestures into text and voice instantly, then to employ advanced deep learning models to ensure that the results that are being produced are accurate, then to integrate a GPT model for contextualizing the translated text. Basically, this one, it will form the translated text into a sentence to make it make sense and make it usable. Then to elevate the system's performance by comparing it with existing sign language models to ensure that we are on the right track. Then a simple solution overview, as I had said, you can see you upload a video or an image or live camera. Then later on, it will give you a translation of what it is. And
Continue from where the previous speaker stopped, starting with the impact and relevance of our system. Over 5 million people are speech and hearing impaired in Uganda, making it 10% of Uganda's population that has such a problem. And with our real-time system, the communication barrier that is faced by this 10% is broken, especially in sectors like the education, healthcare, and employment sector. Our target beneficiaries include the deaf or hearing impaired communities, the educators, the employers and entrepreneurs, the healthcare providers, and the NGO governments. And the SDG alignment for our system include the SDG 4, quality education, SDG 10, reduced inequalities, SDG 3, good health and well-being, SDG 8, decent work and economic growth, SDG 17, partnership for the goals, and this system fulfills all the SDGs there are.
Hello, my name is Atari Brown, and I'm going to take you through intellectual property and innovation. First of all, our project is protectable, and our potential intellectual assets include algorithms, processes, data, software, and the UI. Protection strategies, we have under patentable, we have the novel AI model real-time gesture recognition process. Copyrightable, we have the key point data set, software code, and the UI design. Trade secrets, of course, we have appropriate organizations and preprocessing techniques. Moving on, under monetization and scaling, how we are going to monetize our project. We are going to use subscription-based APIs. We are going to use enterprise software as a service. We are going to use the business to customer mobile app, and this will include the freemium and the freemium with premium features, hardware integration, government and NGO partnerships, then also advertising and sponsorships. Yes, and this is how we are going to monetize our project. Thank you so much. That's all I had.
Hello, my name is Simon Avo, and in this video, I'm going to take you through the future works for the reinforced deep Q learning for sign language translation using capsule feature extraction. So basically here, the future work for this project involves integrating a sign language interpretation into various wearable devices such as smart glasses, smartwatches. Yeah. Then the next one is a multi-platform availability. This could be launched as a mobile application or a web app to be incorporated or hosted via various Play Stores, for example, the Google Play Store, so it can be accessed across various platforms. Then an offline mode, we plan to offer a sign language translation accessibility for this basically works for remote areas where the internet is quite poor. Then another thing is to incorporate customization where users can customize the sign recognition settings based on the region. For example, if someone wants to translate the Ugandan sign language instead of the American sign language, that setting can be incorporated within the system itself. Then a premium AI accuracy is basically to train a system to translate the text or audio to sign language using basically AI, artificial intelligence.